Okay, so here's a comparison of the Easy Red mr1224fl versus the Harbor Freight half-inch dry flex head. The Easy Red head seems to be thicker. I didn't open it up internally and look at it, but externally, and you'll notice on the pictures on the website that the Easy Red's head is thicker than the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh Pro flex head ratchet. The mechanism probably are made in the same factory as pointed out by a Garage Journal forum member, and that's not necessarily a bad thing because the mechanisms on these are pretty decent, and this one appears to be thicker, so it should probably hold up a little better than this one would under a tremendous amount of torque. Hopefully, that's the theory behind it anyway. As you can see, it's quite a bit longer. And that's a Tech 10 over here. And yeah, the direction selector lever, they work the same. They're both opposite of what you would find on most ratchets, and that's kind of annoying. That's something you never get used to, but it's not a bad ratchet for the price. And it's a small complaint. They feel similar as well. Obviously they're different levers, but who knows what the internal mechanisms look like. They're probably the same. The Easy Red probably has a beefier mechanism, I'm sure. Let's get them going in the same direction. Yeah, they sound a little different. This one sounds a little beefier. You can hear a little bit of an echo on this one. Or more tinny sound. I don't know. Whatever you want to describe it as, but they sound different.